Welcome back. Before the break, we talked about the cervix and its function. Now let's continue. Fallopian tubes. These are two tubes that go from the uterus to the ovaries. They serve as meeting place for sperm and egg to be fertilized, and also as a passage for the fertilized egg to move to the womb. Ovaries. These are two round organs on each side of the uterus where the egg cells are produced and stored. It also produces the female hormones that controls pubertal changes and regulate the monthly menstruation. Uterus. This is also known as the womb. The fertilized egg implants and develops into a baby in the uterus, and it expands to accommodate a fetus during pregnancy. Vagina. This is an elastic organ which receives the penis during sexual intercourse and where semen is deposited during sexual intercourse. The vagina ends at the opening of the cervix and serves as a birth canal through which a baby passes during childbirth. The external reproductive system of the female. Mons pubis. This is a soft fleshy area on the pelvic bone where females typically grow pubic hair. Labia majora. These are two thick outer leaves or fatty parts located immediately below the pubis. They cover the labia minora and protect the vaginal opening. Labia minora. These are two thin leaves on either side of the labia majora, pinkish in color and very sensitive. They are covered by the labia majora. It protects the opening of the urethra and vagina. Clitoris. This is an erectile tissue which lies between the upper part of the labia majora and labia minora, just above the opening of the urethra. It is the most sexually sensitive of all parts of a woman that respond to sexual stimulation. It is the area that is usually removed during circumcision, and this is a harmful practice. Clitoral hood. A cap-like structure that protects the clitoris. Urethral opening. This is a small opening between the vagina and clitoris. It serves as outlets for urine. Vaginal opening. It is an opening to the mouth of the womb, that is cervix. It serves as outlet for menstruation, holds the penis and semen during sexual intercourse, and serves as passage for the delivery of the baby. Now let's talk about the male reproductive system. The only visible parts of the male reproductive organs are the penis and scrotum, also known as scrotal sac. All other parts are internal. Penis. This is a rod-shaped organ which hangs down in front of the man's two thighs. It becomes erect when the man is sexually excited or aroused. It is used for sexual intercourse and serves as passage for semen and urine. Scrotal sac or scrotum. This is a bag located behind the penis. It contains the two testes and protects the testes from damage. Now let's talk about the internal parts. Testes. These are two round ball-shaped organs held inside the scrotum. They produce the male egg, that is sperm cells, and store them, and as well produce the male sex hormones known as testosterone. We will take time to refresh now, and then we'll continue later.